Lot number 318 on account of Blue Gum Farm is the Chestnut filly by Manhattan Rain out of Chalonne. This filly, by the sire of champion Australian 2-year-old She Will Reign, is a half-sister to 2 group winners, including the Group 2 VRC Sires Produce Stakes winner, Incumbent. This filly's dam is a 3/4 sister to the multiple group winner Innovation Girl, who is the dam of this season's 2-year-old stakes winner Ideas Man, and the grand dam of this season's 2-year-old stakes winner Larimer Street. Lot number 318, the Chestnut filly by Manhattan Rain out of Chalonne.